Stellar itself builds tire service and mechanic trucks. Essentially, it's my job to figure out the most efficient and safest way possible to manufacture a part to maximize, to get our bottom dollar. Since the Gorbel system we put in place, since we were able to add on and adapt what we originally had there, probably close to 20% on efficiency.
Well, instead of basically having to get a whole new system with an elevated height, we were able to add stools on top of their existing columns and get about an extra 2 feet of height is what we got out of the system.
So basically they came in, lifted everything up there, and we added on another 25 feet there, then changed out the bridges on there and put some different hoists on there. So basically we took the existing crane we had. I mean, you couldn't lift anything over about 5 feet off the ground, and we only had one bridge on it to where we raised it up there, added 25 feet there, and we had 6 bridges on it there, so you could absolutely add more people underneath that work area.
As Jeremy and the team were showing us around, we saw an opportunity with their blast table where they had their operators were kind of reaching inside there, picking up 50 to 70 pounds of flat steel, and we thought of the Easy Arm solution.
It's a tough job, and that thing actually makes it a lot easier for people. I think putting that in place there, you're just not blowing your back out. Before I said everybody was trying to lift all that heavy weight down, and it just was miserable. So now it's such an easy job. I think that's made quite a bit of a difference on it. And the amount of, I'd say, probably some back injuries that kind of, from manhandling and stuff there, that stuff's kind of, tapered off there. One back injury, it's going to cost more than what we paid for that piece of equipment.